The first element is a small device that holds our bacteria Lysinibacillus sphaericus. We've carefully changed these bacteria so they can sense the dengue virus. They have a built-in on-off switch made of molecules, which only turns on when the virus is present. So, how does this technology work?
As soon as our brand new BactiPods are released into contaminated water, they begin to break apart, as they are made of a 1% alginate shell, which is water-soluble. The pods separate into two components: spores of our superbacterium, Lysinibacillus sphaericus, and a rice water medium. Both are also encapsulated in alginate to ensure controlled release. Rice water medium provides sufficient carbohydrates and minerals to trigger the transition from spore to vegetative state. Once in standing water, mosquito larvae ingest the bacteria. Then, bacteria travel to the larvae's midgut. Inside the gut, if Aedes aegypti is infected with dengue virus, the bacteria detects its NS1 non-structural protein. This activates the ribose switch mechanism, triggering a colorimetric response through the TS purple gene. To avoid using an antibiotic resistance marker and to align our project with social responsibility, we use a L. sphaericus strain, in which an essential gene is regulated by an inducible promoter. This ensures plasmid maintenance under stress conditions, promoting bacterial survival. Even in the absence of the NS1 protein, the bacterium still releases larvicidal proteins. Bin B binds to intestinal cells, facilitating Bin A attachment. Bin A perforates the membrane, assisted by MTX1 and MTX2, which kill epithelial cells. Within 48 hours, the larva dies. This product ends the mosquito's life cycle without posing any threat to other organisms or humans.
This early warning system alerts families to a potential risk even before symptoms appear. And they won't face it alone. With this tool, communities can notify local authorities who will have access to clear, in real time, geo-located data, enabling them to respond more quickly and effectively. We believe lasting change isn't just about technology. It happens when science steps out the lab and becomes real, accessible, and meaningful for everyone. True solutions require understanding and collective action. That means everyone, from the youngest child to the oldest adult, must be part of the process. Education is our strongest weapon. By empowering children, the future health guardians, we build a chain of awareness and action that protects communities and fights dengue. That's why, alongside the device, we've created an educational tool, a beautifully illustrated, science-based storybook about dengue. Children and their families don't just read, they learn through play, understand how the device works, and become active protectors of their own health. When science is told as a story, it doesn't just teach, it transforms. This is no longer about waiting for a health brigade to arrive or relying on toxic pesticides and repellents hoping they'll be enough. It's about going to the root of the problem. By creating an informed, empowered network, we can stop the spread before it starts, preventing harm, instead of trying to cure it. What we're proposing goes beyond the mosquito. It's adaptable, scalable, and built for the realities of today. We will prepare communities for the challenges of tomorrow.